Once again I am back with a new video tutorial which is related to the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. So whenever you log into the online server, that is onlineserver.com, then here you will see some of the navigations options like dedicated server, VPS server, cloud server, hosting, SSL certification service. So basically this video is related to the Canada based dedicated server hosting plan. So we will go through the dedicated section. Okay, so whenever you click on the dedicated section, then we will land to the dedicated page. Okay, here you will see approximate 35 country wise dedicated server hosting plan. So we will go through the dedicated section of Canada. Like here are the Canada based dedicated server hosting plans. Now click here, then whenever you log into the whenever you click the Canada based dedicated server hosting section, then here you will see here are the multiple Canada based dedicated server hosting plans. So in my previous video I have already explained very first, second and third one plan. Okay, the very first plan that is available at just $99 per month, and the second one is available $139 per month. The third one is available at just $159 per month. So in this video tutorial I will explain you how to buy the fourth one plan. Okay, and this one plan is available at just $199 per month. That is not very expensive, but with this configuration it's a very affordable plan. Like with this plan you will get Intel Xeon processor, and with the 8 core and 16 thread and 2.1 GHz frequency, and the 64 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard disk. If you think that you have a higher traffic of website and you are unable to manage their traffic or manage their website, then you can choose this one plan. Okay, and the data center location will be the Montreal, Canada. So to buy this plan you can click here like buy now button. Whenever you click on the buy now button, then you will be redirected to the configuration and configuration page. Like here you will see your complete configuration of this plan. Like you will get Intel Xeon processor, and that is available with the 8 core and 16 thread, and with this plan you will get 64 GB of RAM, 2 TB of hard disk and unlimited bandwidth. Like you will also get the one dedicated IP and anti-DDoS protection included, and the data center location will be the Montreal, Canada. Okay, and just scroll the page, then whenever you just scroll the page, then here you will see choose the billing cycle. That is one of the most important things. Like whenever you click on the choose the billing cycle section, then here will get up to the 4 plans. Like the first one is the monthly basis plan, and the second one is the quarterly, semi-annually and annually. Like with this plan, if you choose the monthly basis plan, then you have to pay the monthly basis plan, and if you choose the quarterly basis plan, then you have to pay the up to the 6 month of the payment with advance. Okay, most of the people choose the monthly basis plan. Okay, so we will choose the monthly basis plan like here. Then configuration the section. Now just scroll the page, then here you will get the some of them, like this one, like host name. Here you have to fill, here you have to enter your password, here you enter your domain name like online server, and here you have to fill your password whatever you want to keep it, and it's keep ns1 and the second one ns2. Right, now scroll the page and configuration option. Then here we will get the some of the additional configuration sections like operating system control panel, IP information, bandwidth, DDoS protection information and data center information. Like whenever you click on the operating system, then here you will get the multiple operating systems are available like CentOS, Debian, FreeBSD, Windows based operating, Ubuntu, Red Hat. These are some of the operating systems that we have offering. Okay, and choose according to your conveniently. Like we also offer the Canada based Windows based operating system, like that is chargeable, and if you choose the CentOS based operating system, that is absolutely free. So choose according to your convenience and according to your budget. Okay, now here you will get complete detail of the control panels. Like we are offering like a Pelesk control panel or direct admin control panel, C panel, that is absolutely chargeable. So choose according to your budget. And the DDoS protection we are also offering, and the data center location is the Montreal, Canada. Okay, after getting these information, then you can click here continue button, whenever you click on the continue button, then you will be redirected to the review and checkout page. Just review these informations, like these are the information that you are buying, and click on the checkout button. Whenever you click on the checkout button, then you will be redirected to the final page, like this one page, like checkout page option. Now here you have to fill some of necessary information, like your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and your company detail, like company name and address, and your city name, company city name, and company country name. Now just scroll the page. Here you will get some of the payment methods details, like we accept the payment through the credit card, debit card, net banking, Bitcoin, also Alpha Click, Union Pay, and there are also multiple payment methods here are available. So choose according to your conveniently and do the payment. Now just whenever you do the payment, just complete your order. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is beneficial for you, and keep sharing and keep smiling. Thank you for watching this video.